Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to protect your Windows 10 device on public Wi-Fi. Solution 1. Use a VPN. Solution 2. Turn off sharing and network discovery. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click Network and Internet. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. In the Network Discovery section, select Turn off Network Discovery. Select Turn off File and Printer Sharing. Click Save Change. Solution 3. Enable your firewall. Click Search, then type Windows Firewall. Click Windows Defender Firewall. Click the Turn on Windows Defender on or off button. Make sure Turn on Windows Firewall is selected. In both private and public network settings section, click OK. Solution 4. Always use HTTPS. Solution 5. Turn off your Wi-Fi if you are not using it. Solution 6. Disable automatic Wi-Fi connections. Solution 7. Protect your accounts. Solution 8. Update your security software. Thanks for watching.